Hello and welcome back. This is video number 4 and I'm going to show you step by step how to get everything set up. Okay, so first things first, you are going to need to have access to Woocommerce before you even think about installing the memberships plugin. So to do that is fairly simple. All you have to do is simply go to plugins, click on add new, and you'll see this screen. Then you need to go to the search plugins and type in Woocommerce. So it'll take a second to load, as you see here, and this is what it is. Now I'm showing you a live e-commerce site that actually uses Woocommerce. So we already have that installed, but if you're starting from scratch, you're simply going to click the Install Now button, kind of like this one over here. And then, of course, after it installs it, you'll have to activate it. So there will be a blue button that says activate, and you can simply click that. Now, once you're done, what you want to do is you are going to see the Woocommerce over here. So from here, you want to go straight to settings. And the reason being is that the dashboard is simply going to show you the products, the orders are going to show you kind of like the reports. The coupons allows you to create coupons, and of course memberships and customers. So all of these will most likely not really be needed until you actually launch the site. So if you go to settings here, you'll end up landing over here. Now under the general tab, it's pretty much self-explanatory. It'll be things like your address, whether you're going to do shipping or not. You got products over here. So you can specify your shop page. You can specify the add to cart behavior. So for example, redirect to the cart page after successful addition. So when somebody adds something to the cart, you can redirect them to the cart page. Now I have that unchecked because what if somebody wants to purchase more than one item? And then when you redirect them to the cart page, it just becomes annoying. But that feature is there just in case you have maybe a few, or you have a membership site and you only have one level. So that would be good for that. Then of course you go to payments, and payments allows you to specify the different payment gateways that you want to connect to. Now we have it connected to Stripe, which is a credit card billing system. Now they have direct bank transfer, check payments, cash on delivery, PayPal, and more. So all you have to do is once you've enabled that, you click manage and you can simply follow the instructions and connect the two. So once that's done, you can go to accounts and privacy. Now this just allows you to create the experience. So for example, guest checkout. You can allow customers to place orders without an account, or you can allow customers to log in to an existing account. So it really depends on the experience that you want to create for your customers. So think carefully about your customers when you do this. Then of course we have emails, which are the automatic emails that are sent out, such as if somebody purchases, they get an email that says congratulations. Here's access to your product, or if it's a physical product, you could say, we got your transaction and we are about to ship out. And then of course we have integration, advanced, and memberships. So these are not really, we're not really going to focus on these because we're really going to focus on this one over here. So once you've installed Woocommerce, the next thing of course is to go to woocommerce.com, purchase the membership plugin, download it, and of course install it. Installing is easy. I already have it installed here, but you simply do the same thing that I showed you earlier. You go to the plugins page, but in this case, you're going to actually upload the plugin. So you'll go click on upload, you'll choose the file. So in other words, if you download the files somewhere, you need to find that. You pick the file, you click install now, and then of course you click activate. And of course, once you're done, you've got the plugin installed. So if we go back to Woocommerce, remember under settings, we had an option for memberships. Now, these are not the settings in terms of creating a plan. We'll show you that in just a minute. But these are mainly just the global settings. So for example, redirect members upon login. You can redirect them, let's say, to the members area or to a very specific page. Or you can simply do no redirect. So if you want to redirect people to, say, maybe a community page or an announcements page, and you want people to see that first before they access anything else, this is a good option to have. So we're not going to check any of these. We're going to go and create a membership plan. Hello and welcome back. This is video number 3, and we're going to talk about the different WordPress membership plugins that are available to you. So that way you have an idea of the different options that you have. Now, just to be clear, like I said earlier, this video course is going to be surrounding Woocommerce. And the reason being is because Woocommerce, in my opinion, is one of the best e-commerce platforms out there. So we want to make sure that we cover a variety of different people. So you might have physical products, right, with a membership site, or you might have a digital membership site. So we want to make sure that we cover as many different bases as possible. Now with WooCommerce, like I said, the main platform is free, but under extensions, if you go to extensions and you click on all, and you scroll down, you're going to see Woo subscriptions, which you're really only going to need if you charge a monthly fee. Now, if you do what most memberships do, which is charge a one-time fee, then you would simply go with this. So if you click this, you'll get an idea of what it can do for you. Now, in terms of pricing, it's actually very competitive compared to a lot of the other ones that I'm going to show you in just a minute. So you can create different levels. You can see that you can sell and assign memberships. So you can restrict content. You can do a silver membership, a gold membership, and maybe a premium platinum membership. So you can see that you can grant access to specific content, specific posts, different pages, different categories. So now that you know with the free level, you have maybe 5 different pages. If that's the case, then all you have to do is specify which pages right here. So what I recommend that you do is just go down here and make sure that everything that you see here is going to fit your long-term needs. So can you think of it as you're going to be able to expand, you're going to be able to scale this business down the road, months or even years. So as you can see, you can import or export members, which is a great feature to have. You can communicate with your members and much more. So you can go there and just check it out yourself, but you are going to definitely need this plugin right here and the free WooCommerce plugin as well. And we'll show you how to get all that installed. The next one is called MemberPress. That's memberpress.com. So this is another WordPress membership plugin, and it's very feature rich. So it can do just about anything that you want it to do. So just scroll down here to kind of give you an idea. You can see that it can integrate into a variety of different payment gateways like Stripe, like PayPal, and of course different autoresponders such as ConvertKit, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and different help desk systems like Help Scout. So you can see all the integrations down here. But if we go over here and click on features, you can get a better idea of the different options that you have. So you can see it's easy to set up. We've got premium community forums. So if you want to have that second level to be maybe a community and you don't want to use Facebook, you want to have everything centralized on your WordPress site, then this would be the way to go. So we've got coupons, and that's another thing with WordPress, you do have a lot of features built in, but with MemberPress, some of these will have a little bit more feature rich. But of course, as you'll see in a minute, you'll have to pay a little bit more money. So we have stability, you can drip content. So in other words, you could, if you have like a series and they have to watch course 1 before they get to course 2, you can drip feed it. So you can drip it like this month and then course 2 with next month and so forth and so on. So just go here and take a look and see if that suits you. Now, if you go to the top here and we go to pricing, you can see that the basic level is about $149. You can use it on one site, which is just enough. You can do PayPal and Stripe, and you get about 10 add-ons. So you want to check out those add-ons and see if they actually fit what you need. The $249 version, you can see it operates on 2 sites. It works with Authorize.net, which is a credit card payment processor. And as you can see, it has different add-ons. And over here, the main difference looks like it has an affiliate program. The third plugin that we recommend is called Paid Memberships Pro. And this one actually is very feature rich. So you can kind of get an idea. You can do unlimited levels. They've got 6 different payment gateways that you can integrate with. Now, they do have a free level, so you might want to check that out yourself as well if you're really on a tight budget and just see if that fits you. But for the most part, what we found is in terms of scalability, you kind of want to find something that really fits you. Because if you start with free and you go here, you start with free and that's just what you need, and then you see yourself expanding, that's totally fine as well. So those are the 3 different WordPress membership plugins that are available to you. With that said, let's move on to the next video.